Hey folks, and welcome to HYCU version 4. This series is designed to walk you through the main HYCU use cases. To start, let's see what it takes to deploy HYCU. HYCU is a software-only solution, a virtual machine delivered as a disk image running in your Nutanix or non-Nutanix environment. To deploy on Nutanix AHV clusters, it is enough to add the disk image through the Prism image configuration menu. Make sure to select disk as your image type and then specify the download link or simply point Prism to the HYCU image you've downloaded locally to your system. Nutanix will need a short amount of time to complete the image upload and perform additional checks before the image can be used for deployment. You can track the upload progress in the Prism Tasks menu. Before continuing, make sure the image is marked as active in the Prism Element Image Configuration menu. Once the HYCU image is uploaded onto the image repository, all we have to do is simply create a new virtual machine from it. Let's give it a name. The recommended CPU, memory, and storage size for the HYCU virtual machine are based on the size of your Nutanix environment. Usually, the recommended configuration to get you started using HYCU is 8 vCPUs with 1 core per CPU and 8 gigs of memory. If your configuration is different, then please refer to HYCU documentation or HYCU support site for up-to-date sizing recommendations. Add new disk, select clone from image service, and find the HYCU disk image we uploaded before. By doing this, we'll be creating the HYCU's OS disk. Next step is to simply add another disk on the desired storage container. 32 gigs will be more than enough to get you started. This will serve as the HYCU's data disk. Finally, let's add the network card. Once powered on, we can launch the HYCU Virtual Machine console. Here, we will complete the final configuration steps by entering the network details. Let's enter the host name, its corresponding IP address, and the remaining configuration parameters. In a minute, HYCU VM will be completely configured and operational. The installation overview dialog box will display HYCU's web address we need to enter into a web browser. If deploying HYCU on ESX, be it Nutanix or non-Nutanix environment, deployment is even simpler. From vCenter, simply choose the option to deploy from OVF template, select the desired storage container, enter the necessary parameters, and deploy. That's about it. HYCU supports latest versions of Internet Explorer, Edge, Chrome, and Firefox. Default user to log into HYCU is admin. The password is also admin. Thank you for watching the deployment video. It's time for us to take HYCU for a ride.